Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Discord server. First, open Discord and click the plus icon on the left sidebar to create a new server. You can start from scratch or choose a template. Give your server a unique name and upload a recognizable icon. Then, you'll see default text and voice channels. Text channels are for written communication, while voice channels allow real-time audio chats. This is your foundation for building a great community. Next, let's organize your channels effectively. Create categories to group similar channels, like general or gaming, keeping your server tidy. Right-click on a channel or category to access its permissions. Here, you can define who can view, send messages, or connect to voice channels. This granular control ensures the right people have access to the right conversations, making navigation intuitive for everyone. Roles are crucial for managing your server. Go to Server Settings, then Roles, to create custom roles like admin or member. Assign specific permissions to each role, controlling what members can do. Then, assign these roles to your members. Also, utilize Discord's built-in moderation tools or ad bots to set rules, filter content, and ensure a safe, respectful space for all your community members. Finally, personalize your server and encourage growth. Upload custom emojis to add personality and set up a welcoming message for new members. Integrate helpful bots for tasks like music, games, or advanced moderation. Once your server is ready, share invite links on social media or other platforms to attract new members. An active, well-managed server will naturally foster a thriving community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.